Our lives should glorify not ourselves but God. We are challenged to make a difference in the place where we live and in the place where we circulate. And the ultimate goal is the glory of God. We are called to witness through what we are, salt and lights, and what we do, our good deeds. In other words, my dear brothers and sisters, the challenge of the Lord is that our holiness must surpass the holiness of the scribes and the Pharisees. Our holiness must be sincere. Our holiness must be authentic. Our holiness must not be theatrical. Our holiness must not be hypocritical.